Hey everyone, if you want to split text in Excel in 2026, like separating first and last names or breaking data into columns, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to split text step by step. First, splitting text helps organize messy data into clean columns. It's useful for names, emails, addresses, and more. Next, open your Excel workbook and select the column that contains the text you want to split. Make sure your data is ready. Now go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. This is where the text splitting tools are located. Click Text to Columns. So this tool lets you split text based on separators like spaces, commas, or tabs. Select Delimited and click Next. This option is used when your text is separated by characters like commas or spaces. Now choose the separator type, like space, comma, or semicolon. Excel will split the text based on your selection. You'll see a preview of how your data will be split into columns. Make sure it looks correct before continuing. Click Finish to apply the split, so Excel will separate your text into multiple columns automatically. Another quick method is Flash Fill. Just start typing the pattern you want, and Excel will automatically fill the rest. If the split isn't perfect, you can manually adjust columns or rerun the tool. Small corrections are normal. Finally, save your workbook to keep the changes. This ensures your split data stays organized, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to split text in Excel in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.